Narrator, let me ask you something. If you lost your job tomorrow, how long could you survive on your savings? A month? 2 weeks? Or would you be broke by Friday? Pause. If that question made your heart race just a little, good. Because today, we're talking about how to make money online in 2025. No fluff, no outdated side hustles, just real, scalable ways to build income streams that can change your life. Narrator, here's the truth. Most people are stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle, spending years building someone else's dream instead of their own. The internet. It's the greatest wealth creation tool in human history. Yet, most people use it to scroll TikTok instead of making money. Pause, but not you. You're here because you want more. So let's break it down, the best ways to make money online in 2025 and how you can start today. 1. AI automation side hustles pattern. Interrupt humorous comment. Narrator. AI isn't just for making funny deepfake videos of celebrities anymore. It's changing the way we do business. And the best part? Most people have no clue how to use it. Pause. Imagine offering AI-powered services, copywriting, chatbots, video editing, without needing to be an expert. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are flooded with demand. You're not just selling a skill, you're selling a system, and systems make money while you sleep. Transition curiosity hook, but what if you want something more passive? What if you could get paid just for sharing knowledge? 2. Digital products and course creation. Narrator. Information is currency. If you've ever Googled how to do X, congrats, you've proven people will pay for knowledge. Whether it's a Notion template, an ebook, or a full-fledged online course, digital products have zero overhead and unlimited profit potential. And don't think you need to be a genius. If you know 10% more than someone else, you can teach them. Pause. Platforms like Gumroad and Teachable make it ridiculously easy. But the real magic? Once your product is live, it sells forever. Speaking of passive income, what if I told you your voice alone could make money? 3. YouTube automation and faceless channels. Narrator, you don't need a pretty face or a fancy camera to cash in on YouTube. The biggest channels today, they're faceless. AI voices, stock footage, and outsourced editing. It's like running a TV network without ever being on screen. Here's the play. Find a niche, finance, tech, gaming, storytelling, script it, automate it, and let YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing do the rest. Pause, but maybe you don't want to build a channel. What if you could make money from other people's businesses instead? 4. High-ticket affiliate marketing. Narrator. Forget $2 Amazon commissions. In 2025, we're playing smarter. High-ticket affiliate marketing means promoting premium products that pay out $500, $1,000, even $5,000 per sale. Think software, coaching programs, and high-end services. Platforms like PartnerStack and ClickBank have endless opportunities. The best part? You don't create the product, you just connect the right people to the right solution, and now these methods work. But if you want something that scales infinitely, you need the next strategy. 5. SaaS and digital asset investing. Narrator. Imagine owning digital real estate, websites, apps, AI tools, things that make money with little effort. In 2025, micro SaaS software as a service is booming. You don't need to code, just buy existing digital assets or partner with a developer. Think of it like real estate, but instead of tenants, your asset earns through subscriptions. Pause. If you want true financial freedom, this is the game changer. Narrator. Here's the deal. The internet won't wait for you. AI, automation, digital business, it's evolving every second. And while most people sit back and watch, a small percentage will take action and change their lives. Pause. Which side will you be on? The one scrolling or the one stacking income streams? Narrator. But making money is just step 1. The real key? Keeping and growing that money. Want to know the secret to turning a small amount of cash into generational wealth? Click here to watch my next video on the power of compounding, because that's where the real magic happens.